This is what to do on a rainy day and you're bored and you don't have a life, just like me. Okay, hope you enjoy watching this. How was school? School was good, girl. Like, side note, I didn't go to school, I went to work because I'm an adult and I'm old. I'm wearing green, even though it's not St. Patrick's Day. Girl for life, YOLO, swag, my bracelet matches my shirt and my freaking makeup's, can't even see it, my makeup's on point. And oh my gosh, it's raining outside and I hate the rain. Oh my gosh, I should call my best friend. Oh my god. Yes, girl, oh my gosh, he was dating Boo Boo, yes. And have you seen any Boo Boo Child? I like the new episode, girls, like the best. Oh my gosh, I need to watch The Walking Dead because I freaking missed all the episodes from like season 4. He died, are you kidding me? Oh, okay, I was just wondering, like I wasn't sure. Girl, you gonna call me back? Girl, no, you better stay on this phone. Boo Boo, okay. Girl, did you see her outfit today? It was not matching. She looked a freaking carrot, like a carrot, yo. Yeah, I know, right? Love you, okay, bye.